We're almost there. Don't tell him. We're seeing people looking at the Ergorig with the undersling attachment. You have an Alexa Classic on the rig, and the operator is able to hold it. It's just holding it gently with one hand, and it's taking all of the weight from his body. Normally, what you'd have is this whole part of your body is struggling just to keep the weight up. But wait, there's more. Let's see what Adam's saying.
So the way this works is, if we want to raise this, see, we just pick this up this way. There's a trigger right here, and if I pull this trigger right here, you can actually do this hot on camera. You could do a nice boom down. You let go of it, and it cinches. So, and then you have shock absorption, so you really don't see your footsteps either. And you can hug this, it's cradle it. So everything about operating this is intuitive. It's what you're used to doing. You're just not in pain. And you're not thinking about how do I get out of pain, and you can actually concentrate.
I've been wearing this for 3 hours.
So go to handheld.
Okay, so...
Wait. Could you go through to handheld mode? He's having fun, and that's my payoff. Okay, so up, down into the dock, right onto the shoulder. Then he's gonna adjust his handle grips. That's one. Almost one. I would do the front one first, but whatever. Whatever your style of shooting. Oh, what? It's already on the shoulder? What? Now, another thing that's kind of fantastic about this man can go through doorways.
Yes,
There's nothing here impeding him from getting through even a short doorway. If he'd like to sit, let's say he's shooting the driver in a car seat. Oh, he can sit in the car seat. He can sit down with no obstruction. It's fantastic. Now, we have a model who's young and strong, and with the help of the Ergorig, he will be able to remain strong.
well into retirement.
Right. Some of us had to retire from shooting early because as light as the cameras are getting these days, they're not getting that much lighter really. We like to say it's not your job to put your chiropractor's kids through college. From no man's land, where could you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? How low? How low? How low can you go? Oh, Shazam. What if you extend your arm fully? What happens then? Oh, and it's still smooth. Wait. Are you saying that this takes away footsteps on top of it? Not completely, but it helps dampen them when you're in low mode. There's nothing on the market quite like this. I can put as much weight as I can on his shoulder. Even if he has weak shoulders, nothing's actually touching his shoulder. That's the whole idea. It's floating above. Everything is in your midsection. So the shoulder, though it's a shoulder pad.
If you had shoulders.
The camera's actually not on his shoulder, even when the camera's on his shoulder.
Yeah.
The undersling, again, one-way mechanism. This is so cool. So you push down, it releases, and then you can let go. Now, the interesting thing about this, the way I like to operate when it's underslung, all my career, I've been used to doing this. On this one, what I actually do, instead of having to do this to hold it up, however I can have one hand on the lens, doing whatever I need to do. The other hand is all the way at the back of the camera, and I just gently guide it using the elastomer, that's the bungee cord, to be able to get real precision movements as opposed to this where an inch is a mile. Now I can operate smoothly all day, and I'll be as smooth on hour 14 as I was on hour 1. At night, I can actually go and have drinks with the guys as opposed to being in a hot tub. with Epsom salts. That's the difference.